early warning weather.
Well, fall officially arrives 2 weeks from today, but you know what? We had some real summer-like weather today with temperatures reaching 80 to 85 and made it up to at least 83 in Windsor Locks, Hartford, even New Haven, 83, and Danbury, 83 as well. As you can see, many parts of the state were in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Right now, early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the state dry, and we're going to stay in good shape as we go into the early evening hours. It's later on this evening when the storms and the downpours will move in. We're in a marginal risk area across most of Connecticut for damaging winds, a sliver of Litchfield County on into New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. That's where there's a greater risk for damaging winds and maybe even an isolated tornado or two. And there's also a chance that some parts of Connecticut could get an inch, maybe 2 inches of rain between tonight and tomorrow. And therefore, we're kind of in a marginal to slight risk area for too much rain, what we call excessive rain, which means that there could be some very localized poor drainage flooding and maybe even some flash flooding. Not a widespread kind of a thing, but it could happen in a few towns. Right now, Hartford is partly to mostly cloudy and 79 degrees. We got a pretty good southerly breeze out there, 75 degrees in Waterbury, and actually a beautiful sky in Waterbury, and a pretty good breeze blowing in New London, where the current temperature is 75 degrees, and we got that southerly wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour across the state, gusting to between 20 and 30 miles an hour. So it's breezy, it's humid, it's warm, and you can see temperatures right now are mostly in the 70s. Windsor Locks is the warm spot at 80. Actually, Danbury is 81 right now, and we got dew points that are in the 60s to near 70, as high as 72 in New Haven. That's considered to be oppressive humidity. The dew point trend will go down, though, as we go into Friday and Saturday with some refreshing weather coming our way. And then with warmer air arriving Sunday and Monday, that's when the humidity is going to go back up again. So we're going to kind of seesaw between warm summer-like weather and refreshing weather over the next several days. But this line of showers and thunderstorms, that is a cold front that's going to be moving into Connecticut tomorrow. Ahead of it, showers and thunderstorms move in later this evening. They'll be around overnight. Some locally heavy downpours, and tomorrow kind of an overcast, cooler day with occasional showers, not raining all the time, but occasional showers. And even a few of those showers could be heavy. But watch what happens as we go into Friday. The dry air moves in, and we end the week on a mostly sunny and refreshing note. And that's going to last right into the upcoming weekend, or at least the beginning of it. So lows tonight will be in the mid to upper 60s for most of us, and highs tomorrow will only be in the 70s due to the clouds and occasional showers. Friday, gorgeous, 50s in the morning, 70s in the afternoon. Look at Friday night, near 50, and then Saturday afternoon, a high of 78. And then Sunday, we're going to ramp that temperature up into the 80s. It's going to stay dry Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. That's for our next chance for showers as we trend a little bit cooler, especially by Tuesday briefly. And for the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 76.